Welcome everybody. Today I will show you how to delete your Instagram account step by step, easy and quick. Let's start. Go to your Instagram and you will find then this list or this homepage. Open your profile. Come directly right now, click on this 3 point at the corner of the screen. Open settings and privacy and directly come right now to account center. Go after this to personal detail. Come to account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram account. Click delete account. Click continue. Choose the reason or it's optional. If you don't want to use the reason, click continue. Click close here, click continue. And another account, click continue, and after this write your password and click continue, and that's it guys. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.